Yeah, but like I said, don't be going in the new year, y'all, with dirty microwaves. Because that's one of my biggest pet peeves, a dirty microwave. I cannot stand to go to people's house and they got a dirty ass microwave. So, like, that is a no-go for me. So, that's so YouTube. I'm trying to see, how do I go by starting a YouTube page and getting subscribers? I know y'all know because baby, y'all be on YouTube every day. So I need to know how you get a YouTube page because I'm retired from TikTok. I mean Facebook. And my baby be on TikTok so much.